This is a second epistle of Corinthians written in Pahlavi, the ancient language of Iran, from the 7th century. That's what it says about it. The text is authoritative in Pahlavi, Middle Persian. Greek manuscripts of the Bible, written in the late 6th century AD, means the gospel was in Persia that early on. They didn't take care of the old manuscript, but they were starting with trying to deal and write out part of the new manuscript, probably whatever paper they had available. For whatever reason, gave them this portion. Doesn't say what part of the Second Chronicles, though.